The peacock, scientifically known as Pavo cristatus, is one of the most beautiful and iconic birds in the world. Native to the Indian subcontinent, the peacock is renowned for its striking appearance. The male peacock is famous for its vibrant and iridescent plumage. The peacock's tail is actually its elongated upper tail covered feathers, which can be extended into a stunning fan of colorful feathers. The male's feathers are a mix of brilliant blues, greens, and purples, while the female, called a peahen, has a more subdued appearance with brown and green plumage. Peacocks are relatively large birds, with males reaching up to 5 feet in length, including their impressive tail feathers. Male peacocks use their eye-catching plumage to attract females during the breeding season. They perform intricate dances and display their feathers to court peahens. The peacock is often seen as a symbol of beauty, grace, and pride in various cultures. In Hinduism, it's associated with deities like Lord Krishna, and in Greek mythology, it's linked to the goddess Hera. Peahens play a crucial role in mate selection, observing the displays of male peacocks and choosing a mate based on their performances. White peacocks are a rare variation of the Indian peafowl. Unlike the vibrant colors of their counterparts, white peacocks have pure white plumage. White peacocks can be found in various regions, including India and the United States. While the Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus, is not currently considered endangered, habitat loss and hunting pose threats to its population in some regions. The peacock's stunning appearance and fascinating behaviors make it a beloved and culturally significant bird worldwide.